separate this one apart. They'll get 22 sockets and the extension and ratchets. So most times this has not been loosened before. Okay.
You dealing with the body of cars, or you dealing with the boss?
Is there?
And if you hear this and I go on with the back, go on with the knees, baby, shake it to the max. But did you please turn up the bass to the max? Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. 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 Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max.
Bad man, she love. Bad man, she love. Yeah. Bad man, she love. Bad man, she love. Bad man, she love. Yeah. Bad man, she love. Bad man, she love. Yeah.
Are you dealing with the boss?
Yeah. Make you come first, coulda never take a last. Yeah. Like a ball pump up the pussy fast. Original girl, some of them are in a calf.
And if you hear this and then go on with the back, go on with the knees, baby, shake it to the max. But did you please turn up the bass to the max? Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. 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 Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max.
Caribbean girl, me know for tick, me know for top. Yeah, man, I watch my body like say them, I watch a match. Yeah, anything him said them, girl, I do it like it's tax. Ma make my own money like the girls in movie trap. Classy, real bad girl, ma get nasty. I do whatever I want just because I'm bossy. Yes, I'm the one in charge. Never get my pums and him still fall in love. Yeah, I know anybody can touch this. Baby, I am not a hoe. Rice and
So this is the fuse box and the relay box. So the one they wrote on. When you have 4 corner like this with this, that's relay. When you have small ones like this, those are fuse. So those are the only 2 things you find there. So I'm interested in meaning the first one here. This is it. So if your on control is bad, because various things can happen when your on is not working. Your on can be bad and your on control is good. So if you get your testing lights and you probe in, this is terminal 30, this is 8586 for the core side of the relay, and this is the load side. This is where the current here, this light here, once it jumps into the next place, it gets to your on. So if I bridge these two together, if the on sounds, that confirms that we had a bad relay. Can you see that? So we had a bad on control. This is the old on control. This is what is called an on control, and this is the replacement one, and this has a calibration. So you have to set it such that it has 2 marks that marks to themselves, just like we have here. Bring the camera here. So it must have 2 marks that will correspond to each other like this. So when you have that, then you can couple it. You have to make sure that it does not shift. Okay. You have to make sure that your steering wheels, all the tires are straight. Else, if you set this with the mark points and you put your steering and the steering is bent, it will cut, and you have to buy another one. Fini.